I made this film because many of our viewers are unfamiliar with emergency kits. They don't know what a help bag is and who it was designed for, so I wanted to introduce them to these concepts. I'd like to thank you, dear viewers, customers, for the trust you've bestowed upon Help Bag. The product we developed in our small team was the first of its kind in Poland. In fact, up until now, we have been paving the way. As the first in Europe, we have proposed an emergency kit based on our proprietary patented modular system. Our current offering, Hellback 3.0, is the outcome of almost 5 years of effort and expertise. We have selected products of extremely high quality. We exclusively manufactured bags from original certified Cordura fabric. In previous editions, the equipment items came from the market. We bought them in wholesale quantities from various distributors. However, the problem was repeatability. We often encountered a lack of product availability and had to look for substitutes. The sets were not consistent, and this is a significant issue for us because we desire the Hellbag purchaser to always be conscious that they received a verified, high-quality item precisely as depicted on the website. We have thus made a bold decision for every accessory to be manufactured exclusively for our use, and as per our guidelines. It necessitated searching through more than 50 factories. Such a process is evidently extremely time-consuming, intricate, and expensive. Hellbag is nearly 100 pieces of equipment grouped into 8 modules. We were looking for factories specializing in specific fields. We wanted to ensure that if we placed our logo on it, it would have the level of quality that each of you anticipates and insists upon. Now we know it was worth it. Our effort was really appreciated. Only in the last few months, Helpbug has reached over 1,000 satisfied customers. Helpbug received recommendations from the Department of Security and Crisis Management in Poland. Let me cite its content. We would like to strongly recommend the Helpbag evacuation backpack in the context of preparing for different crisis situations. Helpbag has been meticulously designed and equipped with the necessary tools and supplies that are vital in different types of emergency situations, such as natural disasters and unforeseen emergencies. The loss of power or evacuation is a situation we want to emphasize. Helpbag is in compliance with our safety guidelines and preparedness for crisis situations, which is of utmost importance. In our perspective, Helpbag is deserving of being recommended as an effective and valuable solution that can aid in securing oneself and loved ones in challenging and difficult circumstances. The Polish Diplomatic Security Department also placed an order for the Helpbag as per their request, and German Office for Crisis and Civil Protection. All of these institutions have assessed and rated our set as exemplary in their evaluations and assessments. Who is Helpbag intended for? First and foremost, the orders originated from individuals who are interested in prepping or survival, with the understanding that Helpbag is solely an evacuation kit. And rightly so, although not entirely, this is an emergency kit and that is precisely its designated purpose. To offer tools for different potential yet unforeseen situations that may arise unexpectedly. For instance, I consistently have the sleep, tools, weather, and escape modules in my car. Accessories from these modules have often been helpful to me when I was away. The set of modules can, for instance, pack into a bag and have prepared, for instance, for use during a camper trip, camping in the forest, mountains, or on a boat. We can have a packed backpack near the exit at home. This will be our evacuation set, for example, in the event of a fire, flood, or any other unforeseen circumstance that forces us to immediately evacuate our place of residence. Durable box in which the help bag comes will serve perfectly for storing a larger supply of water, food, or hygiene products. We recall the daunting scenes in shops post the announcement of lockdown during the COVID-19 pandemic. People purchasing pasta, flour, and toilet paper. The internet flooded with pictures of people snatching these products, losing their remaining dignity in the process. You really don't need much to save yourself from participating in such questionable attractions. Having a supply of water and food for a few days will allow us to make decisions without panic or herd instinct. Having basic supplies and tools, we will have greater control over the emergency situation. We will take the initiative and avoid thoughtless decisions. Helpbag is a useful and valuable tool. It depends on you how and for what purpose you will utilize it. Taking into consideration the quality of the equipment and its wide range of applications, you will receive a comprehensive product that offers excellent value for the price you pay. We guarantee that you would not be able to put together a similar set of this quality for 2,000 Polish zlotys. Helpbag also offers you an armored backpack and clearly marked modules made of original Cordura. You obtain what you require, thereby saving both time and money. Additionally, you acquire a feeling of safety and authority in the event of an emergency. You buy it practically once for your whole life. Thanks to him, you always have your emergency exit at hand.